Hello there, my name's Harvey Lewis and I am the drummer and founding member of the Welsh band Rain in Revenge. So my preferred line of sticks, and the ones that I play the most often, are Collision's 5A Reach model, only because I sit quite far back on the kit, so it makes, accenting on high cymbals or like China's off to the side a lot easier, and it helps with getting more impactful rim shots as well. My three favourite things about Collision as a brand would be their sort of family attitude, where it doesn't really matter what genre you play, you're welcome. The quality of the product is outstanding, incredibly durable sticks, and I'd say how welcoming the Collision community are as well. So the track I'll be playing for you is my playthrough of the song City of Saints off of my band's most recent EP. Sit back and enjoy it.